Okay, let's talk references. Now, references are really important, and there are a couple requirements with these references. One thing is that it cannot be a family member, okay? And that is by their request. So, who do you use as a reference? Well, you can use a teacher. You can use, the school secretaries. You can use the school nurse. You can use a church, um, you know, choir director or a youth pastor. You can use a coach. All of these are people who have seen you do some pretty good things. Okay. And these are people that would refer you as a good worker, somebody who is going to be the absolute best person to apply for the job. Okay. Now, with the references, it's very important to call first. Now, at one point, I received a phone call, and the employer asked me if I knew this person. Now, folks, I've been teaching for 30 years. So there's a lot of names in my head. Names from school, names from church. I mean, all over. So many names. And so if you don't call me first, then I'm not expecting the phone call. And somebody from years and years ago, um, I might not even recognize the name at first. And so that's what happened. Somebody put me down as a reference, and I'm like, and I'm going through my Rolodex of names, and I'm like, do I know him from school? Do I know him from church? Do I know him from college? And it was just really an awkward situation. So that's why we always, always, always call the reference first, okay? And say, hey, I'm going to be applying for Subway, and I was wondering if you would be my reference, okay? And so you will need to do the same. Now, you can call and talk to that reference, or you can email that reference and be very professional. Maybe in the subject line of the email, put down job reference, and then write a nice, dear Mr. So and so, dear Mrs. So and so. I was wondering if you could be my reference for a job, and put down the location, and look forward to hearing from you real soon, and give them the contact information, and let them know that if you do put down their information, that you will keep it confidential, and that you will always ask before you put them down as a reference, and so forth. Okay, so this one here, yeah, you're going to have to call some people and ask if it's okay. You are going to have to, you know, talk to Mr. Burns, or talk to Mr. Fisher, or talk to, Mrs. Canova, or, so talk to those people and see if they would be your reference. And then right here, you can put down Skyview's address and Skyview's phone number. Okay, so try to get that done when you put down your two references.